Take a ride in the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, autonomous braking, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, compass, clock, wireless charging station, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.